सर ना बाहर है कहते सर।
हाँ लीव इट,
थोड़ी देर से ज्वाइन कर तुम बोल रहा हूँ
चलो
आप
लीव इट, लीव
स्टार्ट
इट,
कर लो।
लीव इट, ठीक है, लीव इट। शैल वी स्टार्ट देन? ओके,
Yes.
चलो
यस सर।
yesterday's question, yesterday what, fifth one, four, sixth question I have given, right? This is the question I have given, right, for you guys? Sorry though. Uh, let me off the camera for some time so that you guys won't get distracted. Either I won't get distracted that someone is sneaking from behind. Well, this is the question which I have given, right? Express secant A and cos A in terms of Kailash.
सर आपका ये नहीं दिख रहा सर स्क्रीन शेयर?
You are not able to see the screen, क्या?
हाँ नहीं दिख
Shalini,
रहा सर।
Shalini, are you able to view the
सर
screen?
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं दिख रहा है।
हाँ, let me share it again. Now
यस सर।
दिख रहा सर।
I have off my video so that you guys won't get distracted. Either I won't get distracted for the sake that someone is going around in and around at my house or your house. Now you are able to see?
हाँ
यस
सर
सर।
दिख रहा।
Paka? Kishan, you? Can you guys confirm for Kailash it is visible, for
हाँ सर
Shalini?
दिख रहा है सर।
Okay, for you three it is visible.
सर
Can I?
आप नहीं दिख रहा सर।
Arey, what is this?
आप शेयरिंग दबा दे रहे सर शायद सर।
Okay, I have been sharing the screen, I guess. I'm sorry though if something is happening. I don't know what is happening. Can you guys see now?
यस सर। वो हाइड दबा है सर, स्टॉप नहीं।
I have clicked on hide only. Now can you see?
यस सर।
यस सर।
Pakka, right? There is no difficulty, right?
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ सर। हाँ सर पक्का दिख रहा।
Shalini, for you?
सर दिख रहा है।
Kishan?
दिख रहा है सर।
Okay. Can you see the question? What I have written? Express secant A and cos A in terms of sides of a triangle. So he is asking how to express secant A and cos A. Okay. So given, it is simple. Given what he has given, secant A and cos A, right? He is trying to represent A, right? He is trying to represent A in the form of a theta in the form of an A. So where theta is given as A, समझ में आया आपको? theta A बोल के दिया वो. If you see, this is not secant theta, this is not cos theta. He has given us secant A and cos A. It means that theta is A. So we have to draw a triangle. I'm drawing a triangle now. Sorry. Visible? Yes, no.
यस सर।
A,
यस सर।
B, C. So he has given that your theta is here, right, at the place of A. So this would be your opposite, this would be your adjacent, and this would be your hypotenuse. So this is your triangle which has given. So at the form of theta, he has given as A. So what is secant theta formula? Can I represent secant theta? Secant theta का formula क्या है? Can you guys remember? Kailash, what is secant theta formula?
सर 1/cos।
1 by cos. That is another formula. How can we represent secant theta in the form of sides of an angle? He is telling you to find sides, right? So in the form of sides, what would be what would be in terms of trigonometry? Forgot. Hypotenuse by adjacent. You guys forgot क्या?
सर ये फॉर्मूलाज नहीं याद है, जो मैम ने बताया वो याद है।
कौन सा फॉर्मूला है वो?
सर सेकेंड का 1/cos होता है।
हाँ, तो 1 by cos when you have to use you, that is also correct, but Here it is asking A, and see the question, sides of an angle. Sides means in theta, what are the sides which are represent, sorry, in trigonometry, what are the sides which we have? Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse side. So you have to represent secant in the form of sides. Now did you understand the question, Shalini?
Yes, sir.
So secant theta is this. So if I, in the place of theta, if I substitute A, so what is opposite? What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB, right?
Yes, sir.
Your hypotenuse is AB, and your adjacent is AC. We got secant A as this. Now we'll find, similarly, we'll find for cos A. For finding cos A, write the cos theta formula. Cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. This is the formula. मैं formula के box में लगा रहा हूँ. So in the place of theta, if I am substituting A, cos A equal to what is adjacent? AC by hypotenuse is AB, right? Right. So now we got secant A and cos A in terms of sides of a triangle. Secant A, cos A in terms of sides of a triangle. आ गया ना? Now, as you mentioned, Shalini, we have to use that formula. Can you guys write till here? So that I can rub it off. And do confirm me once you are done. You guys are writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
Okay.
सर
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए शालिनी.
सर जब ए पे थीटा आता है या फिर सी पे या फिर बी पे तो उसके साइड्स कैसे चेंज होते हैं?
So based on your theta, your sides are not. The side को वो define कर रहा ना opposite क्या है. That changes. The side would be the same.
सर नहीं, जैसे ए पे थीटा है तो उसका उल्टा सी भी अपोजिट होगा उसका, ए बी हाइपोटेनियस, ए सी एडजेसेंट,
हाँ.
ऐसे करके समझ में नहीं आता है.
So how
एक बार आप बता दो करके.
if theta is here, okay, do remember, अगर theta यहाँ पे है तो the exact opposite is, this is opposite side, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse, okay. ऑपोजिट का मतलब एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट है, एडजेसेंट का मतलब बाजू वाला, बगल वाला, ओके. योर हाइपोटेन्यूज इज एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट टू एडजेसेंट, ओके. नाउ डिड यू गॉट?
यस सर, यस सर.
हमेशा याद रख लो, अगर ये ट्रायंगल दिया, सपोज अगर आपने देखा तो फर्स्ट टू ट्रायंगल्स में दिस साइड्स वर फिक्स्ड, क्वेश्चन में फिक्स हो गए थे, ए बी 17, बी सी 15 बोल के दिया, एंड वी डिड नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट. सो बी बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई हैव टेकन थीटा ओवर हियर. सो उसके बदौलत मैं साइड्स बदल, वो साइड्स आर सेम, मैंने एंगल थीटा के ये साइड्स है ना, थीटा डिफाइन साइड्स, दो साइड ऑफ चेंजेस, ठीक है.
यस सर.
Do not worry, once we meet in the institute, maybe one and a half after, 1 month after, I'll teach you guys again, or otherwise whatever doubts you have, I'll clear you the, okay. It might be difficult now to understand, it might be difficult now to ask any question, but because it's online mode and we are very new to this online mode of teaching style, but once we get habituated, I hope you understand it. You guys are done with writing kya? I'll rub it off.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand how did I done?
हाँ सर, समझ आया.
ठीक है. Again I'm repeating, I have drawn a triangle A B C. The reason I have taken theta in the place of A, why? Because आपको secant A and cos A बोल के he is mentioning up. So here in the place of A I have taken theta. If theta is here, this is exact opposite. बाजू वाला adjacent होता, adjacent के exact opposite वाला hypotenuse होता. Okay, this is simple. So
Okay, sir.
he is telling you to express secant A and cos A in terms of sides of a triangle. If हमेशा याद रख लो शालिनी, you had a doubt, right? 1 by cos theta.
यस सर.
वो कब यूज करना बोलता है? if has given secant A and cos theta. That is a direct question, right? Why? Because secant theta is 1 by cos theta is 1 by secant theta. We have a direct formulas. But in the place of theta, he has given us A. If you see in the question, आप secant theta and cos theta in terms of बोले तो वो फॉर्मूला यूज करके डायरेक्ट चले जाइए, बट ही थीटा के जगह पे आपको ए दिया, सो ए दिया तो आपको ट्रायंगल खड़ा करना पड़ता. यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस साइड्स, ओके. यू गाइस आर डन?
ओके सर.
नाउ आई एम okay. Let me draw the triangle again. So this is the triangle, this is A, sorry, this is B, this is C. If theta is here, this would be your opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse, right? So for cos theta we got, can anyone tell what is cosecant or cos? What did we got? Sorry, secant, right? Can anyone tell me what is secant? Secant एक
Sir, hypotenuse by adjacent.
वो नहीं, that I also know. Sides बाबा. AB by AC.
हाँ सर, AB by AC.
Cos A.
AC by AB.
Cos A is AC by AB.
AB.
Now by formula, now Shalini. Now whatever the formula you have given, we can use this formula. By formula, secant theta can be mentioned as 1 by cos theta, right? So in the place of secant theta we have A, secant A equal to 1 by cos A. But for secant A and cos A we have sides. What is secant A? AB by AC equal to 1 by, what is cos A? AC by AB. If nothing is there, can I divide it by 1? So that 1 by 1 would be 1, right? So AB by AC equal to 1 by 1. If I am trying to convert, here division hai, this is whole division. If I am trying to convert this whole division, it will convert into multiplication. This denominator, ये ऊपर आता, ये नीचे आता, okay? AB will go up, AC will come down. 1 into AB and 1 into AC. AB by AC equal to 1 into AB by 1 into AC. Here I am doing. So AB by AC equal to 1 into AB is how much? It's AB, and 1 into AC is AC. Did we prove? He did explain.
Yes, sir.
Secant A, did we express secant A in the form of cos A? In terms of sides, right? These are only in terms of sides only, right? These are sides of a triangle, right?
हाँ sir.
So done. So this is the question. Now did you understand, Shalini? Why didn't I use secant A equal to 1 by cos theta, secant theta, this formula directly?
Yes, sir.
Today I'll teach you guys till 7:45 only. I have some urgent work, okay? Tomorrow I'll take up an extra time. Okay, tomorrow's time you remember, right?
हाँ sir.
What's the time for tomorrow? What's the day for tomorrow? Can anyone let me know?
Saturday sir.
Okay. This is today's Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, 1st of April. So I'll start the class at 6 o'clock. So try to be prepared by 6:45, 4:45 maybe. So that 10 minutes before only. Sorry for the disturbance. I have started 10 minutes before only today's class, but I don't know, due to some technical difficulties, the Google Meets got struck. Sorry for that. I'm so sorry for that. आपके टीचर्स के साथ होता ऐसा टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज
Yes, sir.
while teaching your online class?
क्या है कि सर वो लोग मैसेज ही नहीं करते, पूछे तो भी नहीं बोलते कुछ भी, डायरेक्टिंग बेस से उसके बाद कुछ तो भी डाउट है तभी नहीं बोलते, अलग ही है उनका.
Same goes with yours. Same goes with you also, Shalini.
Yes, sir. पावर कट हो जाता है.
Sorry though, but don't worry. Power cut is important. It's not an issue with me because we have an inverter, and moreover that inverter works with Wi-Fi too. So there is nothing impossible. Power cut hai to bhi I'll connect. I'll manage somehow. The only reason nothing should happen is your Google Meet. Google Meet is getting struck. I don't know. You guys are done with this question? I'll rub it off. I'll start another one. कल दिया ना तुम लोगों को homework को. I'll try to do that. Done?
नहीं सर, रुक जाओ.
Okay.
हो गया सर.
Okay. Shalini, you're done, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the yesterday's question, right? 7th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 7th question what I have given yesterday. This is the question what I have given, right? Is sin A by cos A.
हाँ सर यही क्वेश्चन दिए।
आप did you try, Kailash?
हाँ सर ट्राई करा।
If you have tried, do see what I am doing. If you have not tried, do listen to the class. Okay, nothing goes, not an issue. If you guys are trying, not trying, but at least practice what I am teaching you guys, so that you guys would be
ओके
familiar
सर।
with what I am teaching. So what is he telling? Is sin A by cos A is equal to tan A? So this is the question he has given. Do remember, he didn't ask sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. We also know blindly. Okay, Shalini. So
Yes, sir.
don't ठीक है, don't bring sin theta by cos theta here. We can bring it, but later point of time was you need to draw the triangle sides, find out karo. Why? Because he has clearly mentioned in the place of theta we have a. So in the place of theta we have a means, so theta is mentioned in here. So this is a, b, c. If theta is here, so this is your opposite, this is your adjacent, this is your hypotenuse, right? So if what is sin theta formula? Sin theta equal to opposite by
Opposite by
hypotenuse. Good, good, Shalini. Hypotenuse by opposite by hypotenuse. What is sin A? Same. Sin A equal to what is opposite? BC. BC by, this is BC.
AB.
Sorry. Let me rub and write it again. BC by AB. This is sin A. So similar goes with cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta ये formula क्या है? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is the formula. Now remember cos A. Cos A क्या है? In the place of adjacent we have AC. In the place of hypotenuse we have AB. Okay. Now we know, ठीक है, by formula we know that what is what? We know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, right?
Tan.
Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. I already told you sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So in the place of theta we have sin A. So substitute, will sin A by cos A would be same or not? Okay. So we need to prove LHS equal to RHS. What is sin A? BC by AB whole divided by cos is what? AC by AB. Can anyone tell what is tan A? Can you write till here? This last step is pretty confusing and sorry. Write till here, ma, so that I can explain you in the next one. Can you guys write till here? If you guys are done,
Yes.
right? If you guys are done with writing, do let me know. And moreover, कल आपको ये होमवर्क में, कल आपको मैं प्रैक्टिस में दिया तो you guys might be thinking that ये 2 marks का है. By the way, trigonometric questions can be stretched बहुत ज़्यादा, and you can represent these questions in 4 marks also, and there is a good probability that these questions might get you in 4 marks. So don't write 2 lines में. So do remember, Kishan, Kailash, Kishan and Shalini, अगर sin theta by cos theta direct is equal to tan theta बोलते हो, ये formula लगा दो, you guys are done. But in the place of theta he has given A. So do remember, he has given theta. So he has represented theta in the place of A, means you need to draw the triangle, find what is opposite hypotenuse and substitute sin theta cos theta, find out and prove it last में, right? Okay. So take this as, take sin A as 1, sin 2 as, sin cos A as 2. I'll take this formula as 3. Okay. Can you guys stop here? We'll find tan theta also. What is tan theta formula? Opposite by adjacent. This is tan theta formula. Right till here, tan theta. So we'll find tan A. I'll take it as 4. I'll substitute 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 in 3. Okay. Yes. अरे बाबा कुछ बोलो ना बाबा. If you guys are being numb, so how can I understand?
सर
क्या?
अभी लिख रहे हैं सर.
अभी लिख रहे हैं आप. सॉरी. लिखो कंटिन्यू. You Kailash, you have any doubt? Yep.
हाँ सर, नहीं सर, नहीं है.
Okay. किशन, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
मेरे को सर कुछ समझ में आया, कुछ नहीं आया सर.
Okay. Not an issue.
और वहीं पे आके समझ में आएगा सर, वही ट्यूशन में.
हाँ. Not an issue. Once you take care of your health, once you are well and good, I'll try to teach you guys again. Don't worry. Only for this 1 month. Just hope till May only. By May, I hope all the cases might go down and we can continue with our classes.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
बच्चे भी आते सर, अभी इधर से कोई नहीं आ रहे ना, डेमो के लिए भी नहीं आ रहे.
हाँ. अरे can you guys share those videos to your friend circle please? Shalini, Kishan and
हाँ
Kailash.
सर.
Please कोई तो भी share करो. And if your friends are interested, do give my number to them so that they can also join the class and listen the demo. This would be a demo class for you them. Okay, Shalini?
Yes sir.
Online class can be remotely joined, right, from anywhere. So please do share those videos with your friends, please. It
Okay,
would
sir.
be a great help for me and for the institute to get students. Done? Can you guys are done?
हो गया सर मेरा.
शालिनी, आपका?
हो गया सर.
Okay. Done? हो गया बाबा.
हो गया सर.
Okay. Sorry though. Can you guys let me know what is sin A and sin A? Sin A is BC by AB, right? As far as I remember. Sorry, we were finding tan A, right? Sorry, tan theta, right? So I did given you tan theta formula. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So this is tan theta formula. So let me draw the triangle again. So this is A, B, C. If theta is here, so this is your opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. If tan theta is this, what would be tan A? Tan A equal to, what is your opposite is BC, your adjacent is AC. I'll take it as 4. Now I'll substitute those 1, 2 and 4th equation, this equation in 3rd equation. So what was your what was the 3rd equation? Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is the 3rd equation which we got, right? What is sine? So in the place of theta, I'll represent as sine A. Sine A by cos A equal to tan A. Can anyone let me know what is sine A, cos A and tan A? Cosine A क्या है? BC by?
एंगल भी पूछ रहे सर.
हाँ, BC by AB.
हाँ सर, BC by AB.
What is cos A? AC by AB.
AC by AB.
Okay. Your tan A is BC by AC, right?
Yes sir.
So this AB is cancelled. AB is cancelled. So we has BC by AC equal to BC by AC. Did it proved? Did it prove? Is sin A is equal to, right? Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A, right?
यस सर।
So equal to tan A. लिख लो, done. So I think Rahul Jadev has trying to join my list. Rahul 9th है. Okay. Hello Rahul.
हाँ सर,
Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Good evening. क्या हुआ बाबा? You posted link, please बोल के posted in the WhatsApp group. Now we are joining this much late.
नहीं सर, थोड़ा रोड करने जा रहा था इसलिए गया।
Okay, not an issue. You are still in Hyderabad or you are in village or somewhere?
सर अभी कल सुबह जा रहे सर गाँव।
Okay, got it. Be safe.
ओके सर।
So I guess Kailash has been recording this session. Don't worry, I am also recording these sessions.
हाँ सर, स्टार्टिंग से।
So if you want, you can ask Kailash, or if you want, I can also post this session to you guys.
ओके सर।
ठीक है? Meanwhile, just see the screen, just see what is happening. So once we are done with this next question, you will able to understand what I have done in this question. You guys are done writing? Did you guys understand how did I done? How I have done? Sorry for that.
हाँ सर, मक्खन की तरह।
क्या माँ फिल्मा देख रहे क्या आजकल बहुत ज्यादा?
नहीं सर, मैं देखा।
That too Akshay Kumar movies क्या? Why? Because he uses these kind of dialogues.
नहीं सर, नहीं देख तुम बैठते मूवीज।
शालिनी, आपको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase it so that I can start off the next question? Cos A by, can you guys try cos A by sin A equal to cot A in this fashion? Same मैं ऐसी करा ना, मैं आपको ये फॉर्मूला, यही प्रॉब्लम ऐसा बताया ना. Can you guys try that question in ऐसा में?
आप भी ट्राई करना सर।
अभी कहीं को बा अभी आप ट्राई करें तो भी मैं कैसा दिखता हूँ?
ओके सर।
ट्राई कीजिए. इफ ट्राई करो. Do let me share those photographs in WhatsApp so that I can see in the form of a PDF. share करो, ठीक है? Do you know right how to click and photographs and share it in PDF?
मुझे आता PDF।
You Shalini?
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
So do share me those
Sir,
PDF.
question क्या था?
This is the question, ठीक है? I am writing. Can I rub it?
सर आप एक काम करो, टाइप करके भेज दो व्हाट्सएप में बाद में।
How can I type the question in WhatsApp? Let me do. Wait.
एक स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो सर, नोटपैड में इसमें लिख के।
Wait, I have notes.
సార్ మీకు సంస్కృత వచ్చా?
వస్తుందమ్మా. ఎవరు అడుగుతున్నారమ్మా?
आता सर संस्कृत आपको?
आता.
ओके सर।
Why?
मैं संस्कृत लिया सर, इसलिए मैं और राहुल दोनों वही लिए।
Good. Wait, can you guys give me few minutes of time so that I have prepared that question paper, by the way. Material I have it in my PDF. I'll copy those questions and I'll paste it in your this group, by the way. SSC Max 10th. Sorry, it is not responding. Are you guys able to view the screen?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर, दिख रहा।
So you did posted few questions. क्या ये क्या है? Shalini, what did you post? JPG image. This JPG image is not even opening up. Okay, you did post it. Thank you though. Thank you. Shit, array. This is empty.
सर आप एक काम करो, ये स्केचबुक में लिख दो सर वो क्वेश्चन, हम लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं।
That's better. Okay. Yesterday I've written, right? Did you guys not copy it? Kya? So I have questions in the form of letters. So this is the question, by the way. If you have numbers, please write it in your numbers. Carry on with your serial numbers. 8, 9th question बोल के I have in alphabet, so I'm writing that. Is sin A by cos A equal to?
लिख लिया सर ये? हाँ सर मैं लिख लिया कल।
Equal to cot A. Try this one. Can you guys try this one in the same fashion what I have done? अभी कैसे किया मैंने?
Yes.
हाँ सर करते।
ठीक है? Do please try it so that try कीजिए ना. Should I start with another question?
हाँ सर स्टार्ट करो।
So this is the question. You can also copy, Rahul, so that you don't miss this question. So I equal to, this is serial number, by the way. This is not something which is included in the question. Okay? So don't get confused. If tan A equal to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometric. Okay, other trigonometric ratio of angle A. So if you see, same kind of question I did teach you, right? Same kind of question.
Easy है सर।
For fifth question था, since sin x equal to 4 by 3.
सर ये इजी है।
कैसे करते हैं शालिनी? Can you let me the process?
सर tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent। ऐसे ट्रायंगल में उसका वो साइड्स वो लिख देंगे।
You will find out the third side
जो
which
भी
is
साइड
hypotenuse.
नहीं आया है वो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से फाइंड कर लेंगे, फिर फॉर्मूला से निकाल लेंगे।
Which, so other you need to find out. So what are the other sides? We have tan, right, which is already given. So you need to find sine, cos, cosecant, secant and cot. Okay. Kailash, can you try this one?
हाँ सर। अभी सर
अभी नहीं बाबा. If you try also, how can I see you?
फोटो भेज दूँगा सर।
So try at your free time once we are done with the class, so that you can send me the photographs. So can you try these questions as well?
Yes.
So I'll give you a few
yes,
questions.
रुको सर फोटो लेना।
Don't worry, I'm not erasing it. So try to find these questions as well. Can you try this question as well? If sin C, try this two more questions I'll give you. If sin C equal to 15 by 17.
हो जाता सर।
This is very simple. This is 2 marks. Okay. Then find cos C. Okay. This is the only question. Okay. If tan x, this is tan, by the way. If tan x equal to pi by 12, then find secant x. Okay. Can you guys try this one? And I'll give you one
Yes,
more
sir.
also. If try this one, नहीं आए तो कल बोल दो. I'll explain you in the class tomorrow. ठीक है? If cos cosecant theta, then find ठीक है? If cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7, then find cos theta. Can you guys try this question? ठीक है? Try all these questions. नहीं आ रहा तो कल बोल दो. I'll try to do it.
ओके सर।
क्या हुआ बाबा? क्या यू कहीं को
क्या सर?
क्या हंस रहे माओ?
कुछ भी नहीं सर, नाम याद आ रहा।
सर
हाँ बोलिए।
आपको जो मैंने भेजा दो चीज, वो आपने देखा?
हाँ, one is the photograph, another is one MP4 video. What is that MP4 video by the way?
सर वो स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग है,
हाँ, okay, well, let me see.
आपके वॉइस के साथ ही है।
Okay, let me see. ये क्या ओपन हो रहा? Okay, thank you though. Here, right, at the form of theta, that is another formula. How at the form of
सर
क्या Shalini, can you let me know? One is the one I am explaining, in another tab you are opening WhatsApp.
सर
What?
सर
सर
What?
मैसेज आ रहा था।
WhatsApp Raksha Maheta. She has shared some videos by the way. You have Sakshi, Travya, Kishan, PHRS. Okay. What is this photograph is all about? Okay, school students का photograph. 10th C is presenting. Crazy.
सर
हाँ, thank you. हाँ बा, बोलिए.
ये थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से मतलब थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन पढ़ के सुनाओ सर आप एक बार।
If tan x equal to 5 by 12, then find secant x.
ओके सर।
Okay. Can you guys give me so I can find.
जैसा
I
ट्रैक
have a
मिला था
material.
सर इसका XYZ है।
हाँ, wait. I have these questions somewhere. I have pinned it down. I have written it. I have typed it somewhere. I'm not getting those things. Give me 2 minutes, okay? I'll find out those things and I'll give you guys. Trigonometry, where is that? Can you guys see the document as well?
हाँ सर दिख रहा।
Okay. From this document, I'll paste that in your WhatsApp so that you can easily understand what the questions are of. It's the same document what I have printed down in my material. This is the same document what I have typed actually. It took me many days to type it. So we are somewhere here, right? So yesterday was this question, right?
हाँ सर।
These are the questions what we are doing, right? Okay. This is the question what I have given you guys for doing it. So let me paste it in your WhatsApp as well. We'll see if it is pasteable in WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp got struck. Let me try to paste it in WhatsApp. We can, if these questions are pasteable as in the form of same, then I'll paste those questions in WhatsApp so that you can refer it.
सर
हाँ माँ बोलिए.
सर आपका अकाउंट पॉज्ड में है, इसीलिए आपका मीट रुक रहा था।
फास्ट में
पॉज्ड।
पॉज्ड सर ऊपर है देखो
ये वाला,
टॉप राइट।
ये वाला.
यस सर।
This is not that one ma. This is not synced
वो
actually.
दूसरा अकाउंट होगा सर।
दूसरा account है. I am using another account for teaching you guys. That's my personal mail ID by the way. Did the questions reach you guys?
यस सर आ गया।
Can you guys see properly what the question is all about? Understandable, right? So these are the questions which you need to guys tomorrow do and send me your entire do the 4 questions. Send me your PDF file photograph so that I can see and I can correct it in the file format, and I'll see I can make you guys do also. Can I rub this thing?
यस
हाँ
सर।
सर रख कर दो।
Okay. वो पॉज नहीं है माँ. वो पॉज क्यों नहीं है बोल तो आई हैव स्टॉप्ड सिंकिंग. सो आपको टीच करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग एन अदर अकाउंट विच इज इंस्टीट्यूट अकाउंट फॉर दैट्स एन अकाउंट विच इज सिंक्ड विथ माय सिस्टम. दैट्स माय पर्सनल मेल आईडी. ठीक है.
ओके सर।
So this is the question. This is the last question. Once I am done with this question, no, this is not the last one, by the way. Le lo na. If angle A and angle P are acute angles such that, by the way, this question came in your exams. Sin A equal to sin P, then prove that angle A equal to angle P. Sorry, I can't. So for teaching this question, you need to familiar with trigonometric table, by the way. Can you guys write this question? But I'll teach you this question after some time. Once I am teaching you, once I have taught you guys trigonometric table है ना, वो टेबल पढ़ाने के बाद I'll teach you this question. अभी बेकार है ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ के, बिकॉज आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल ही नहीं किया हमने.
सर एक बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट करो सर.
If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that sin A equal to sin P, then prove that angle A equal to angle P. So Shalini, you have done with
फिर से करो सर, एक बार फिर से रिपीट करो.
if angle A and angle P are acute angles such that sin A equal to sin P, then prove that angle A equal to angle P.
ओके सर, समझ गया.
हो गया बा?
Yes, sir.
Shalini,
Right,
Shalini, can you tell me the method how to do this question, or how to do this question, by the way?
सर ये क्लास में हुआ है बट मेरे को याद नहीं है अच्छे से.
Can you tell what are acute angles? I'll tell you a simple trick.
सर more than 90 degree.
More than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Then what is obtuse then?
No sir, less than 90 degree.
Don't
Confusion है
get
sir.
confused. ठीक है. So I'll teach you this question once I am done with the trigonometric table, by the way. Okay. Okay. Let me share. I forgot to share the trigonometric. This is very simple. I'll share this one in your WhatsApp group so that it would be very easy for you guys to familiarize what is this formulas as well. But वो मैं आपको एक box सिखाया ना, did that box is useful for you guys? Did you find it easy? O by H, A by H.
हाँ सर.
For you, Shalini?
Yes sir.
Did your school taught that shortcut or normally पढ़ो बोल के बोल दिए?
सर नॉर्मली वो नहीं पढ़ाया.
So use that box so that you can memorize that. ठीक है?
Okay.
So you're done. Shall we go for next question, by the way? Hello, yes, no, maybe something.
Yes.
सर इसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते आप.
This is, ठीक है? This is a kind of a question. Trigonometric table चाहिए हम आप लोगों को. Trigonometric table. Okay? Trigonometric table tomorrow I'll teach you guys. So done. We are done with small questions. Okay? अभी तक जो भी क्वेश्चंस बोला ना मैं आप लोगों को, अभी तक जितना 5 और 6 क्वेश्चंस आई हैव taught you guys and I have given you 4, not 4, 5, 6, 7 questions I did taught you guys, right? 7. एंड 4 तुम्हारे को दिया मैं करने के लिए. सो टोटल 9 क्वेश्चंस वेर देयर इन दैट फॉर्मेट कि एक दो एंगल्स दे रहा था, एक मिसिंग था. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट एंड यू नीड टू रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट इज sin A cos A tan A other angles in the form of sides, right? Yes, no.
यस सर.
क्या सर?
अभी जो
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
सर इस क्वेश्चन के लिए कोई आइडिया दे दीजिए आप.
ये वाला
यस सर.
you can take this both, you can take this angles both same angles उठा लो, but it should be always 90 degrees. What I suggest, take 45. So what is it telling? Sin 45 degree equal to sin 45 degree 1 equal to 1.
सर 90 माइनस ये वाला फॉर्मूला है.
What 90 minus?
सर साइन ए इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस ऐसे कुछ होता है सर.
90 minus cos A, 90 minus A.
यस सर.
So this will convert into cos A. So this will convert into cos P. Cancel A equal to P. Do you know what are these ratios, by the way? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. What are those called as, शालिनी?
सर वो टीचर ने नहीं बताया, बस यही बता दिया सीधा.
What are those actually?
नाम स्पेसिफिक नहीं बताया, बस फॉर्मूला बताया.
You have 3 identities, ठीक है? आपको 3 identities है. These are reciprocals, okay? Basic reciprocals of angles. Reciprocals of trigonometric angles है ये पूरे. Reciprocal का मतलब उल्टा, okay? Don't worry, these are few advanced. कैलाश
हाँ सर बोलो.
ये जो मैं शालिनी को ये क्वेश्चन बोला ना, this is somewhat you need to familiarize with trigonometric table. अभी जो मैं आप लोगों को कल स्टार्ट करूंगा वो, ओके? बट प्लीज आज जो मैं क्वेश्चन दिया वो तो ट्राई करिए ना प्लीज. फॉर गॉड सेक प्लीज डू ट्राई दोस क्वेश्चंस, ओके? डन. हेलो,
यस सर.
ठीक है? Can you guys come on camera so that I can tell you bye and we'll leave? I have some work important. Sorry for that.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ कुछ भी नहीं सर, कुछ भी नहीं.
बोलिए माँ.
नहीं सर, डाउट था छोटा
हाँ,
सा. आप समझाए थे, देखो समझाए थे, देखो सर.
कौन सा?
अब तक एक क्वेश्चन.
Which one? This one. Sin A by cos A equal to tan A.
सर नहीं सर, इफ एंगल ए एंड एंगल पी आर एक्यूट, ये वाला.
हाँ बोलिए. उसमें क्या डाउट है आपको?
वही एक्सप्लेन करो बोल के पूछ रहा था.
नहीं, that might require.
ना सर.
नहीं,
रिकॉर्डिंग से देख लेते.
नहीं, that might require trigonometric table ma. You don't know what is trigonometric table only.
तो कल समझाते सर.
हाँ, वो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने के लिए आप लोगों को ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल बोल के एक टेबल रहता. यार स्क्रीन इज शेयरिंग ओनली, राइट?
हाँ सर, दिख रहा.
कैन यू सी द डॉक्यूमेंट?
दिख रहा सर, डॉक्यूमेंट दिख रहा.
शालिनी, दीज आर योर, आप यही जो बात कही है ना,
यस सर.
यही वाला.
यस.
These are reciprocals, ठीक है? These are called as reciprocals. Can you see this trigonometric table?
दिख रहा सर.
ये टेबल आप लोगों को फेमिलियराइज करना है पर्टिकुलर एंगल्स के साथ. व्हाट इज द टेबल इज ऑल अबाउट. ये आप टेबल आपको मैं कल पढ़ाता हूँ. Once we are done with this table, please do attend tomorrow's class. It is very useful for you guys. If you miss this, it would be very बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता आपको सीखने के लिए. ये एक टेबल सीखे तो दैट माइट बी लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू कैन सॉल्व एंड बाय द वे ये टेबल के ऊपर ही मैक्सिमम मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस एंड व्हाट दीस फॉर्मूलाज डोंट वरी आई विल नॉट टीच यू दीस मेनी फॉर्मूलाज सो फर्स्ट 6 आर बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज जो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है बट आई विल टीच यू गाइस सो दैट यू कैन यूज इट इन योर क्वेश्चंस डिड योर टीचर थॉट दिस थिंग्स फॉर्मूला शालिनी
क्या सर?
ये थ्री पढ़ा है आपके टीचर
नो सर.
अभी तक नहीं है सो दीज आर कॉल्ड ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज वी हैव ओनली 3 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज ओके so if you take bsc max also you will get only these 3 trigonometric identities bolte those are particular formulas which are used everywhere don't worry there are a lot many questions are there theek hai so enough for the day I have some work actually can you guys come on the video call so that I can say you guys bye
हाँ सर हाँ
सर लॉकडाउन होता कते सर
I don't know there is a night curfew which got extended bolke some news is flashing up till 8th May bolke but I don't think this lockdown will be happening Shalini your camera is thoda आधा चेहरा दिख रहा आधा नहीं दिख रहा हाँ how are you किशन
मैं तो ठीक हूँ।
ठीक हो फोन से कनेक्टेड हो क्या आप
हाँ मैं फोन से हूँ।
so did you guys understand what I have thought पक्का कुछ समझ में नहीं यार what you guys are talking
समझ आया सर
what happened Taylor ठीक है माँ चलो बाय we'll meet tomorrow ठीक है सॉरी फॉर दैट आई ठीक है द क्लास स्टार्ट्स एट 6 o'clock in the 6 o'clock in the evening not morning okay
ओके सर
please do join please be mindful before 10 minutes or itself so that I can share the link sorry for today's delay in the class why because I was facing some difficulties in that meet this meet wala site is was only not opening for me thank you though bye guys
बाय सर